Yo guys, what's going on? Mike down here in the makeshift RC corner, and this is the surprise for me of the summer. And it just kind of weird how it kind of came about. And I was just on AliExpress and I was just scrolling through some things, and this showed up. And I was like, for the price, I couldn't believe it. I'll leave a link in the notes. And this thing always surprised me, and we'll just want to preface this saying that every summer, basically, I usually buy a boat. And we're getting into late summer 2022, and I haven't bought a boat yet this year. And I didn't think I was going to buy a boat. But lo and behold, we got a boat. And see how it's shipped? Now, they boxed this in plain cardboard and bubble wrapped it. So, and this showed up. So, in here, boys, we get an awesome boat. We got the little dry up pack, whatever, and this thing is super crazy. Now, remember last summer, we have the Proboat Sprintjet, and this is exactly what we're looking at here. This is the WLTOYS version. Now it's slightly different, and let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. So here it is, exact same length, just a little bit different styling. We both have the jet boat, and it's super cool. Now this one has the dual riders, this one has a single rider. We got some LEDs on top. I like the look of that. I like the yellow. We got a rubber bouncer there. This one just kind of has a rubber wedge, but this one actually has like a ball point to it. So I think that'll help it better bounce off things if you're like racing in the pool, right? You want to crack up against a tile wall, you're gonna feel some pain, right? So that should protect the boat quite well. So looking forward to that. See how that works. Don't really want to crash it, but this storage case is top notch, guys. Of course, you get your boat stand in there, and we have a very thin manual. I don't think the manual is going to say very much because there's really what you're going to do for spare parts. Really, you glue it back together if you crack it, and if not, you get a new one because this ain't that expensive. But we're going to take this sucker out at my buddy Frank's pool. We're going to take the Proboat with us, and we're going to see how it does. So stay for that in the back half of the video. We're just going to finish up here too with have a quick look at the radio. Radio is pretty basic. It's actually, even though it looks small, there's still lots of room for my hand, and I have a medium to large adult hand. I wear a large golf glove if I go golfing. We just have a trim on button. Foam wheel though, and it's pretty standard. And on the bottom here, I think we're only looking at we're only looking at 2 AA's fitting in there. Hope you guys can see that. Really nice. Really not looking to drive this far range wise. And let's see if we can pop this open here. Not much room between the bar and the guy's head, driver's head, and inside there you go. So you just have the standard mini micro servos. That's very responsive. These things turn on a dime. ESC's sealed in there. There's water cooling going around the motor over there, and we got a little Li-ion pack, and they have a JST style plug, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty standard for the smaller lipos and Li-ions that they do for this size. So guys, it's a high-speed racing boat. Don't forget that. The detailing on the boat, not the greatest, but it's not going to compare to this. This actually has a really kind of cool theme with the shark. This one, though, it's highly visible, and that'll look cool. And what do you expect? This thing is probably half the price of the Proboat. It's got a detail motor on it a bit, so if this thing performs as well as the Proboat, we'll be extremely happy. If it's close, we'll be extremely happy. So love the case, love everything that comes with it, but the true test is getting these out in the water. So let's head to that part of the video. Alright, sit tight. So here we are, guys. We're going to do the running part of the video. This pool may or may not look familiar to you. We're at my buddy Frank's house. Thanks for having us over, Frank. and we're going to run the WLTOYS yellow jet boat, and we're going to get that thing in the water in just a second here.
Hello!
Alright guys, I got the boat in the pool, and if you remember last summer we did a video on the Proboat Sprintjet. As you can see, they're virtually the same size, pretty much a copy of each other. We're going to run this one for a bit by itself and see how it goes, and then we'll add this one to the pool. Now this one I think I got at the hobby shop for 110 Canadian plus taxes and all this stuff. And this one you can find on AliExpress probably around $50 mark, so it's half the price. So we'll see if we can get the same performance for half the price. Well, let's see what we can do here. Of course, it has LEDs. It lights up white and red, and that's full throttle right there. Oh, you have to stay on the throttle in order to turn. Just slow it right down. That's the one big difference with a jet propulsion boat versus a regular boat. The rudder would still turn the boat. This one won't turn unless you're on the throttle. Let's see if we can do some tight turns here. As we go faster, it widened out. All we have here is actually just a trim here on the radio to make it go straight. So we don't really have any other things other than just the trim. So pretty cool. And you see it actually gets the water worked up pretty good here in the pool. I think it looks really sharp. Yellow. Not many RCs are yellow, so I think it's a good choice in color. I think my kids like it. You guys like it? Yeah. Yes. Not too shabby. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get the Sprintjet out in the pool with it, and we can get some side-by-side comparisons. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we got the Proboat in the pool. We got the WLTOYS. So let's bring them down here and we'll do a race across the pool, but don't hit the end, okay, Tyson?
Yes, I'll turn them around.
Turn them around. And on go from 3, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Oh, let's do that again. Okay, I'll stand on this side here. Hang on. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's try that one more time. But I think right now, the box, we will say that
the yellow is the winner. Yellow is winning.
Yellow is winning. 2, 1, go. Dude, once the gray one gets going, the Sprintjet's going, but it's a little slower off the top. Now, the one thing that the Proboat is really good at versus the WLTOYS boat is that the Proboat can do circles just like that. You can turn on an absolute dime, and this one here, not so much. It's like 3-foot circle. Now, you might be able to adjust that on the servo horn to give it more throw, but out of the box, not even close. But it seems like the WLTOYS is faster. Though I think once they kind of get up near top speed, they're kind of close. So overall, they're good little pool boats. We'll do some laps here. Let's see if we can get them running closer together.
Oh.
It's all right.
It didn't break the boat.
As you can see, it's probably a lot more fun. Whoa.
That's crashing.
Yeah, I'm smacking the walls. This one does not turn as sharp. So there you go, guys. For about half the price, you get a similar experience. It would seem to be the more agile boat is the Sprintjet, but that is possible that we could tune this one to turn more. But I could see just that the jet from this one does not turn as much.
Not right now. Still driving.
But for the money, it's hard to beat. So thanks you guys for tuning into this video. We're gonna run out the batteries, have more fun with our boats. Thanks for Mr. Frank again for having us over. He's a good guy. I'll vouch for him.
Oh, I hit the
Thanks to my kids for helping out demonstrate these boats.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
All right.
Hi, hi, hi.
Thanks a lot for you guys tuning in. And we'll catch you soon on the next video. All right. Peace. Take care. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 This is fun.